Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a bread egg omelet. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and delicious meal any time of day. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of milk. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter, plus salt and pepper for seasoning. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare our egg mixture. Carefully crack 2 large eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of milk, which will help make our omelet extra fluffy. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to taste. Using a fork or a whisk, beat the mixture vigorously for about 30 seconds until it's light and frothy. This aeration is key for a perfectly textured omelet. It's time to cook. Place a non-stick pan over medium heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter until it's shimmering. Take each slice of bread and dip it into the egg mixture, ensuring both sides are thoroughly coated. Gently place the egg-soaked bread into the hot pan. Cook each side for approximately 2 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and the egg is fully set. Once both sides of your bread egg omelet are golden brown and the egg is completely set, it's ready. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle some shredded cheese or fresh herbs on top before folding it in half. Carefully slide your delicious omelet onto a plate. This simple, satisfying meal is best enjoyed immediately while it's warm and fresh. Enjoy your perfectly made bread egg omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.